Okay, plays it forward. Oh, he's onside, Haaland, first minute. Meslier gets something on it, and Struijk hooks it away. Almost the absolutely perfect way to begin things after the resumption in the Premier League. Good save, Meslier. Mahrez, Grealish, oh, he's missed. He can't believe it. So keen to add to his numbers, both goals and assists, but he's put one over. To Bruyne, Rodri, Mahrez, Meslier saves, Rodri at last. Rodri does what his colleagues haven't done so far and converted one of a stack full of chances right on half-time, and it's his first of the season. And now then, that's a bit lax, and Grealish is onto it. City must score here. Grealish, so unselfish. He lays it on a plate for Haaland, and look how much it means to him. After the misses in the first half, he atones already, and Haaland has goal number 19 of the Premier League campaign. De Bruyne, Leeds are really opening up here. Haaland, Grealish, Haaland, he's on a hat-trick again. He's got 3 match balls already, none though away from home. Could this be the day? And Grealish has his second assist of the match. Greenwood with a corner. Oh, and Struijk! Well, are they back in it? It's a bit late, but it's a scare for the Blues. A quite brilliant return to Premier League action. The Blues back in second, 5 points on Arsenal.